So folks, we're back in the shop. We got a little garden project we're gonna start out here, and I'm gonna show you how they do that dripping faucet. It's not my original idea, I'll tell you right now, but you might have seen it on Pinterest or elsewhere. It's been a little bit to figure it out. I'm going to show you how to do it right here on my take on Home and Garden. So first of all, we bought a neat little Faucet faucet. It actually does turn for our project, but it's not a working one. You can find them online. It's just a dummy. So I was hoping fishing line would thread up through there, because I opened the valve. It seems to work. It does go in and out, up and down, but it will not thread through. So I've come up with a different idea, and I've picked up these little water droplet tear-shaped crystals online to make the water drip. Now, I thought I was going to string them and be real slick and string them all on one fishing line, and it doesn't work. the drip goes sideways and hangs crooked, so I've had to come up with a different way. So I got a single line, went through the eye of the drip, and make sure you can see, looped it back and used some super glue to hold it. It takes more than you think to make that little crystal drip hang straight. So that's what I've come up with. So I'm going to do a few of those, cut my line at different lengths, and I'm going to glue them into this simple electrical nut, wire nut. Okay, then I'm going to glue the wire nut up in the spout of the faucet, like this, so that they can hang. Then I'll go outside on our garden shed and mount this on the shed, and I'll get that all done and show you how it looks. Okay, so we got this blue background so you can see better, and it's tough to see, but I want to make sure I'm helping you and showing you how I did it anyway. Here's the glass tear-shaped bead. And you want to thread that just a 10-pound, you could go even less, 7-pound fishing line, and we're gonna end up with a loop at the bead. But the trick here is to get that end glued together. It doesn't take long if you just have some patience. Hang on to it. Get that line super glued together. Now I'm halfway there. Get closer to the bead and get some more on it. And I gave it a little twist because I want to get that loop out of there as much as I can. And then your teardrop will hang straight. Now all my random lines are in the cap, glued in. So I've got my piece and I've glued up the top of the cap to get it up in the spout there with a little help. Okay. Now you can see what I had. This is still drying, but I'm gonna hold it a second. At random lengths. Okay, so here's our sight for the faucet. Our leaky faucet dripping into the water can. We are in the shade, so I hope you can see the drips. So folks, that was our leaky faucet yard art for today. And if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everybody. The best subscribers all around. We appreciate you. And we'll see you in the next video.